you're doing great. In this video, we're going to learn how to combine English alphabets. We're also going to teach you the sounds of those alphabets and then some words which we can use those alphabets in writing or forming. Looking at the board, we have the English alphabets. These English alphabets are 26 in number. Out of these 26 alphabets, 5 of them are called vowels. These ones that I'm just circling are the vowels among the 26 English alphabets, while the remaining are consonants. Now, let's proceed as I'm going to read these English alphabets and also their sounds. A, D,
B,
B, C,
C,
D,
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 E,
E,
F,
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 G,
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 H,
I,
E,
E,
J,
J,
J, K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
Alright, these are the sounds of the 26 English alphabets. Although there are some of them that have more than one sound, like I said earlier. But as we proceed in this video and our subsequent videos, you're going to learn those letters that have more than one sound. And that will help you to read and also write English language. Alright, let's proceed to combination of English alphabet. We're going to start with combination of double alphabet. What did I say?
Double alphabet.
Double alphabet.
Double alphabet.
We're going to be joining both the vowels and the consonant. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Look here. This is letter A sound A, and this is letter B sound B. When we join both of them together, we're going to have this sound. Sound up. Sound what? Up. Sound what? Up. Sound what? Up. Then, when we combine letter A, which has sound up, and letter C, which has sound k, we're going to have two sounds. That is what? Ak. What did I say?
Ak.
Again?
Ak.
Again?
Ak.
Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for this, if you join more letters, you're going to have a word like
accuse,
accuse.
accuse,
Then the third alphabet. We're going to combine the first alphabet and the fourth alphabet. Remember, the sound of the first alphabet is A, while the sound of the fourth alphabet is D. Now, when we join the two sounds together, we're going to produce this sound ad. What did I say?
add,
Ad.
add,
Ad.
add,
We can also add more letters, which will give us a meaningful word, such as add,
add,
add.
add,
Okay, let's proceed. Look at the next one. Letter A sound A. Let's combine it with letter F sound. We're going to have what? F.
af,
F.
af,
When we join more letters here, we're going to have a word like afraid.
afraid,
Afraid.
afraid,
Okay, let's join another letter with another word, alphabet. For today, we're going to stop at alphabet H. What did I say?
alphabet H,
Yes. Don't forget, for you to understand how to read, write, and speak English language using various techniques such as sound combination, syllables, oral discrimination, and other ones, you have to subscribe. Okay? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, GC Studies. Share the videos. No. You don't have to be stingy in sharing. Share the videos. Like it. And then hit the notification what? Bell. Try and join us in this video so that you can learn more. Okay. Finally, the last one in the list is the combination of letter A and alphabet what? G. Letter A sound A and then letter G sound D.
J,
Okay? When we join both of them together, we're going to produce this sound ag. What did I say?
ag,
Ag.
ag,
Ag.
ag,
Then we can join more letters in order to have a meaningful word, such as agree. Again.
agree,
Agree.
agree,
Agree.
agree,
Good. Have you seen it? It works like magic. Combination of letter sounds. Don't forget, you have to always join us in this online video by subscribing, sharing the videos, liking it, and then hit the notification what? Bell. My name is Glory Lolo. God bless you.